Hello, I'm Rolf, and I'll show you how we can produce vocabulary training using artificial intelligence on Brian. So what I do, I say, I add a module, I say vocab training, and you see it's been already done before, so I'll just do it again, vocab training, add topic. I'll choose Brian's artificial intelligence. I choose between the three models of vocabulary training, and all I do now, I'll copy paste the list of words I want to use or I want my students to learn. In this case, I want to learn them French and un voyage, une valise, nager, bronzer, et neiger. So we have 5 words, and all I do, I click submit, and then I have to choose. It detected already correctly that this is French, okay? And now, what is your student's first language? So now I need to choose the first language and say, okay, my students speak, for example, English. So now I do English, French. And now I can choose between a variety of different question types, okay? For example, flashcards, this will be, as a basic training, the entry for every student to just get a hold of those words. So they will then see the words in English and then in French, or in French and then in English. In the advanced training, we generate multiple choice questions where they have to choose the correct translation of the word, once in the language they know and once in the language they're supposed to learn. In words answers, they have empty words. No, not empty words, but they need to write it themselves in multiple choice. We write entire sentences where they have to pick the correct sentence, and the other sentences we're using the word incorrectly, and fill in the blanks is a classic exercise where we leave out a word and just in brackets we show the word in the language they know, and they need to type it on their own. So all I do now, I'll click on create. It goes fairly fast. I'll click on review, and you see we've created 2 sessions, this one and this one, and the questions are now piling up. They're being created. So for example, formation avancée de vocabulaire, if I go in here, I see, for example, now all the questions coming in here. The first one is beaucoup de gens aiment tan sur la plage l'été. So to tan, they love to tan. So is aiment bronzer. And then automatically Brian also gives feedback. But you will have to see, you can just click on start quiz, and you will have the availability to also experience those words firsthand. Good. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. Thank you.